This 36-inch wide French door refrigerator by BlueStar has a fresh food capacity of 13.3 and a freezer capacity of 6.56 for a total capacity of 19.86 cubic feet. It features a matte black front with the signature BlueStar logo and 3 Pro-style brass handles. Inside are front-mounted controls, sidewall LED lighting, a water filter, an internal water dispenser, and 5 glass shelves with metal trim. The 4 half shelves are adjustable. The bottom shelf is stationary. Below the shelves are 2 humidity-controlled crispers and 1 full-width smooth gliding drawer. On the doors are a total of 6 bins. 2 are adjustable, 2 are deep enough for gallon storage, and all bins are removable for cleaning. In the freezer is the ice maker, ice storage, 2 storage bins, and a gliding bin to accommodate tall items. To learn more about refrigerators, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.